48 seconds, girls. We're Valley champs. 48 seconds. 48 seconds. Just hold the ball. Don't let him shoot. Nope.
Come on, Jenny.
No whistle, please. No whistle. Oh, we got it. Yeah. 20 seconds. Come on, baby. Nice. Valley champs, baby. Valley champs. Valley champs. Valley champions. Valley champs. Yeah. Valley champs. Coach, congratulations. Valley champs. That was so nice. Oh! How do you miss him standing still? There you go. What's up, baby? Good job, ladies. Wow, how neat. Wow.
So proud of you guys.
Hey, listen. Hold on straight, we shake hands. We thank you proudly. Come on back.
Good job, Coach. Good job, Coach. What's up, ladies?
Yeah, Dad, we're #1, Dad.
Valley champs, baby!
Directed by Athletics, Doug Simmons. First award is given to the runner-up, Bullard Diamond.
Yeah, Bullard! Championship, woman! Go get it, go get it! Hey, Champ Valley, Champ Valley, Champ Valley. Valley! 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 Tara, grab it, Tara, hold it. Touch it, the women.
Let me kiss that thing.
Pose with that thing.
Wait, I gotta get.
All right, I'm ready.
Oh, just baby.
Yeah, you guys were ahead.
Oh, damn it! Stop.
Get him, ladies! Get him, ladies! Get him, ladies! Get him! Hey, you move pretty good, Mr. Carey.
I know. I was